Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to plant seeds in Grow a Garden. So all you have to do is just go here to the seed shop, click on E, and then you will have this catalog open for you. You can choose whatever seed you want. Let's choose carrot, which everyone will begin with. I buy three, and then just search for the garden of yours, go to it, select the current seed that we have, and then right click on the places that we chose. Let's go here, choose it, and we have it here. And as you can see, we have the carrot growing without any problem, and we can collect them with clicking on the E option. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.